Hello guys, so here I am to talk about my breastfeeding experience. So I'll start with the first. I had a C-section, and in the initial days my breastfeeding experience was very bad because you are on medications, आपके anesthesia का असर उतरा नहीं है still, and the doctors and the people around you keep on saying that first milk is very important for your baby, आना ही चाहिए, do this, do that. There are people who are giving a lot of advices to you, but then it's really difficult, man. It's really difficult. Although you have seen all the videos, although you have done the classes of how to breastfeed, still it is very difficult. The baby has just came out of the womb. यार उसको कैसे पता चलेगा कि कैसे लैच करना है, मम्मा न्यू मॉम को कैसे पता चलेगा कैसे पोजीशन पे बैठना है, कैसे करना है, बिकॉज द ममा इज सफरिंग अ लॉट. I'm not telling that only C-section mother is having a back pain issues and anesthesia है, medications है, stitches pain हो रहा है, ये वो. Normal delivery also has a lot of pain. So it's not easy for any mom or for the baby. अभी वो बेचारा womb से बाहर आया है. Let him adjust, adapt. Let the mom adjust and adapt. So in the initial days of mine, I think 6 days, my baby was not able to latch on. I was in total depression. I was in guilt कि मैं अपने बेबी को फीड नहीं करवा रही हूँ. And on top of that, the people around you, the doctors, they keep on reminding you कि ब्रेस्ट फीड करवाना है, ये करना है, वो करना है, ये ही अच्छा है बेबी के लिए, ये वो. I think, oh my God, a lot of advice. So during that time I really felt that I was being judged around the people, but then I don't know whether I was being judged or not, but then that was the feeling कि everyone is judging me कि कैसी माँ अपने बच्चे को फीड भी नहीं करवा रही. So that was the feeling in the first 6 days, but then on the 6th day my baby learned how to latch. But there was very difficulties before that. So that was like many women have the inverted nipples. The shape of the nipples are not same for every woman. So there are things which you can use it, like you can use the nipple puller, okay, or you can use the shield, the breast shield, which are available. So your baby will able to adapt for that thing. Also there is problem of nipple soreness, so I used the nipple puller for twice or thrice, and then I also used a shield, and that's how my baby learned how to latch on. Then later on my baby latched on and everything. On the 6th day I was really happy, but then there was a problem of position for me, how I should sit so that my back pain should not get, because my baby in initial days he was feeding less, like for 5-10 minutes, but then later on when he learned everything, he was taking quite a lot of time. So I have to sit during that time. You can also go for the alternate option, you can pump, but then pumping is good and everything, but in that also you have to preserve it, and then you have to give it. So better if I am available with him, so why not a breastfeed also, so that when you are breastfeeding you connect. क्योंकि मैंने स्टार्टिंग में तो उसके साथ कनेक्ट ही नहीं किया है. They were giving the supplement, and at that time, let me tell you, supplement देने के टाइम भी the people around me, they were taking my baby and they were feeding him. I felt really bad कि अगर मैं supplement भी दे रही हूँ तो मुझे गोदी में दो मेरा बेबी, मैं उसको supplement दूँगी, so that I feel good कि okay मैं माँ बन गई हूँ. In those 6 days I never felt that I became a mom, because I was just sitting right here, this is the position, and I was looking around. Dude, so never do that, okay, for the moms. That's the first step of your depression. Be connected to your child, that will reduce your depression. Yes, personal experience I am sharing. If you are supplementing also, I think every mother, first 6 or 3 days, 6 days, that varies. but then you take your baby, you feed him, whether it's supplement or what. First step to stay away from the depression phase. Then later on, as I was there, that my baby has learned how to latch and everything, back pain issues was there. So what I do is I keep 2 pillows. On top of that, still if I feel, I keep this on my back, breastfeeding pillow. Okay, I keep my baby a little bit like this so that he can be in the position. Okay, so that's the tip, that how you can reduce your back pain also while feeding, and how your baby can latch also very easily. Okay, that's right, like this. You can tilt a little bit like this. Okay, you can sit nicely like this. You can your legs also, you can stretch it off. No need to sit continuously like that. Okay, so that will reduce your back pain. Then second issue which I came after he learned to latch on was nipple soreness. Okay, it was really painful when he latched, the initial latching. Okay, it was really painful. I mean, I had a fever in those days. You won't believe, I had a fever for 2 days because of that pain. But then thanks to Mama Earth natural nipple butter cream, okay, I used this. I still use this because I still sometimes feels that pain. So use this. Okay, it is really helpful. So now that was all sorted, and now I cannot say I'm pro, but yeah, I am quite midway of that phase ki now I can handle everything. I know the schedule of my baby when he needs to feed and everything, so I just get ready during that time and I just feed him. Okay, so like for all the new moms, I want to tell you that don't feel sad or don't feel depressed कि मुझे formula milk देना पड़ रहा है, for supplements देने पड़ रहे हैं on the top. It's okay. Okay, it's totally your choice. आपको आपके बेबी को कैसे रेज करना है, that's only dependent on you. To the mom, not the people around you. उनको नहीं बड़ा करना है. Okay, yeah, in India there is a trend that बड़े जो होते हैं they knows well everything, तो वो लोग कर लेंगे. But then I think today's generation they are quite good कि वो आर्टिकल्स पढ़ते हैं, यूट्यूब में वीडियोस देखो, आप टेक एडवाइस ऑफ योर डॉक्टर्स ऑल्सो. ऑफकोर्स बड़ों की एडवाइस भी लो, बट देन देर इज़ अ जनरेशन गैप. उनके टाइम पे इतनी फैसिलिटीज़ नहीं थी, फीडिंग पिलोज नहीं थे. वी हैव दैट चॉइस, सो यू नो दैट थिंग यू नीड टू गेट अपडेटेड. बड़ों की सुनो, बट जितना सुनना चाहिए उतना ही. डॉक्टर्स की ऑफकोर्स यू हैव टू लिसन, बट देन समटाइम्स इट गोज़ लाइक कि आप किस में कंफर्टेबल हो, कौन सी एडवाइस पे आप कंफर्टेबल हो, वो एडवाइस. एंड देन ऑलवेज सी कि आपका बेबी आप किस में कंफर्टेबल हो. तो अगर आप फॉर्मूला मिल्क भी दे रहे हो, नो नीड टू फील डिप्रेस फॉर दैट. दैट्स टोटली फाइन. यू आर स्टिल फीडिंग योर चाइल्ड. ओके, सो दैट्स टोटली फाइन. That's what I want to tell you for all the new moms. You use Mama Earth cream for nipple soreness, and you can use the shield. Okay, I use the Baby Buds nipple shield on the initial days when he was not able to latch on, and I used a nipple puller which is not right here. Okay, so yeah, you can deal with all of these things. I hope these all advices will help you. Okay, and will keep you away from the depression. Yeah, so stay happy, all the new moms, just stay happy, because that's the only way to keep your baby healthy.